What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. So today we're going to get this car painted and reassembled tomorrow, and we also have two other paint jobs. Don, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Don's finna slick him out. As you guys saw, he did paint the WRX, and this thing looks awesome. Looks really good. So we're about to pull this thing out, and he's gonna get this taped up and get it painted. And while he does that, I'm gonna get the other paint job ready for him. That way we can knock all this out today and have it done tomorrow. So let's get started. Now that one's out, he's gonna paint this one, and I need to sand that one and then R&I this one, and then I'll block out this Bondo and get this sanded, and both of these will be ready for him too. All right, guys, so I got it all sanded down. I'm not gonna tape it, I'm gonna let him do it. I'm not sure how he wants to tape it, but he's gonna finish this one up. I'm gonna get started on that Subaru WRX out there, get it inside and start building it. All right, guys, so we do need to put this fender on and put the bumper and hood back together. The tire actually blew out on this thing and destroyed this fender, so we got a brand new one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, line up the fender, get the gaps right, and we'll work our way forward and get this front end done, and then get this thing buttoned up. Okay guys, so I got the door together. This piece actually had some damage on it, so Dawn is painting it with the STI because they are the same colors, so we can't put that on. And unfortunately, I did find some damage on this headlight when reassembling it, and we're gonna have to get a new headlight because that is the main tab, and the headlight's gonna wobble around. We want to get it all perfect, so we are gonna have to wait for that. It'll probably be here tomorrow maybe, so we're kind of at a standstill. There's one more thing I do want to do, and that's over here. I noticed his side skirt's coming off right here, and it's simple clip right here, so I'm gonna put a clip in for him and fix that, and then we'll pull it outside and I'll get started on something else. So I'm gonna get this fixed real quick. So here is the clip, and it has a little rubber seal, so it's gonna be waterproof. And it's things like this that go a long way for the customer. You know, they see stuff like this and they want to come back. Unfortunately, it is. Oh, so the side skirt was shifted a little bit, but definitely much better, and hopefully that'll last. I don't think there's any other bolts or anything. That's kind of weird. This car is low. He might have hit something and it popped out, but that's good to go. We're gonna wait on parts for this, so I'm gonna pull this out and get started on the next project. And yeah, so let's get it out of here. This guy is professional. Professional. So Don got the STI painted, Mr. Professional. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and put this Subaru bumper together since I do have everything to do that. And it is on his stand, so we have to get it off and get it reassembled, and I'll just hang it for now, and then later we'll unclip it to put that headlight in. But I got to get everything off of the other bumper and get it onto here. All right, guys, so it is the next day here. Don got the Malibu painted, as you guys saw. WRX, we're waiting on this part right here, and all we got to do is install that. Today, I'm going to reassemble the Malibu and the STI. I'm going to start with this first because I have everything for it. I did take it all apart, and it's going to be fairly simple. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and knock this one out this morning. That way this is done and it can leave, and then we'll move forward. So let's go ahead and get started and get this thing together. I think I'll probably start with the hood and get the hood completely together because I have the hood right there, and I'm just going to disassemble this one. And it is pretty complicated. I don't know why they've put so many clips and so many pieces, but it is a functional hood vent, so that is pretty cool. And also the bumper, we do not have to reassemble the bumper, so that thing can just go right on, which is awesome. It makes our job a lot easier. So we're going to start with this hood, get this front end together, get the headlights on, slap on this bumper, and this thing will be ready to roll. All right, guys, just like that, the STI is done. Everything looks awesome. We went ahead and gave it a nice detail, cleaned it up super nice, and this thing is ready to go back to the owner. Overall, it looks really good. The paint match is really nice, and then obviously you got plastic here, but even then it's actually really close. So super happy with how all this turned out, and now we're just gonna pull it out and let the customer come get it, and that's gonna be it on this one. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned, guys. Next video, we are going to be painting the Mustang, and then also this weekend I am bringing the E30 here. We're gonna paint prep that thing, because now that the Mustang's done, we can get that thing in here and get that thing painted. If you guys enjoy the content, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and you can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. We appreciate all the love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.